In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a border in Notion using an easy method. Let's get started to enhance your workspace visually in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace within Notion. This is essentially your hub for managing wikis, documents, and projects. If this is your first encounter with Notion, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're at your workspace, make your way to the Notion login page. Click on the Login button to access your account. If you're not already logged into Notion, take this moment to do so by entering your credentials. This will bring you to your Notion homepage, which is the central area from where you can explore or create further pages. Now that you're at the Notion home, you'll need to click on an existing page where you wish to add a border. It could be any page of your choice, whether it's a current project or a new document you're preparing. Once you've opened the desired page, let's move on to placing your border. To insert a border, what you actually want to do is create a divider. In Notion, dividers are the simplest and most effective way of visually breaking up a page, acting like a clean border. So, how do we actually insert one? Simply type in /divider within the page. It's as straightforward as it sounds. When you type divider, an option should appear that allows you to add a horizontal line. Clicking on this option will instantly place a divider at the location of your cursor, serving as a border between sections of your document. Adding dividers in this way can help organize content, making it more readable and aesthetically pleasing. These horizontal lines act as borders, providing a subtle yet effective way to highlight different sections or act as visual pauses in your content structure. Plus, they're not just functional. They add a touch of minimalistic style to your workspace. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to creating a border in Notion. This method is efficient and ensures your pages are neatly arranged and easy to navigate. So go ahead, start organizing your pages with these well-placed dividers and make your Notion workspace truly yours. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore more features within Notion that can further personalize and streamline your workflows. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy planning!